Sunday morning. I feel like it's 1 a.m., but I guess it's more like 7. And Ryan is at work, so I have to go to one of the towns close to us is having a community yard sale. There's like 30 houses that are involved. There's a couple that Ryan told me to stay away from, mostly doing like baby stuff, but the rest of them, let's just say he is like a slave driver. Like, he is. You better go work. Even call him and make sure I was up. I'm just kidding. I told him to call him and make sure I was up, but he gets out at noon, so I better have some good stuff for him. I already went to one, and let's just say I thought I broke the GoPro, which is not good for Ryan at all.
And that is the Beyblade. This is.
You can make your own.
I don't even know what it is.
Is this from this game?
Yeah,
Oh.
it's the same thing, but one's a video game and the other's real life.
Oh.
He always said I would never go with him. He never, ever.
I'll have to ask.
One time did he go.
Can I take a picture of it and
Sure,
send it?
yeah.
See if he wants.
Batteries already. Better than when you buy on the store. You
And
have
then
to put
you
the
have to
batteries.
go get the batteries.
already here.
Yep. Yeah, can I get these two?
Okay. 6.
6. Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, just enough.
Yeah, apparently.
Oh, she comes with the bag.
I do. You know what? You end up with all those grocery bags, and then you have to like recycle them or whatever, or you're saving the turtles.
Yeah.
One grocery bag. Thank you. How much are the cassette tape players? How much are the cassette tape players?
I'm not sure. Nanny.
Oh, what do you want? Tell me.
I just stepped in.
Everything. How much are the cassette tape players?
Well, $2 a piece.
Okay.
Is that too much? $1 a piece? No, anybody wants less. I don't care. Whatever you want.
And they all work?
They do.
This one actually.
We've taken
You have a cassette in there. Do you
well,
need
that is a. It's an exercise cassette. That's how long since I've used it. They work as far as I know. They've been in the house and.
Yeah, yeah.
I got one from you a while ago and it still works. So.
Yeah. And look at this.
Walk
one.
fitness. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
That's a
Oh, that's
Walkman.
pretty cool. Does that do the cassette?
Yeah.
I believe. The
Oh,
pooches.
dollar.
Hi, honey.
I had that in my bedroom. I had an oriental motif in my bedroom. And I was like, it was probably done somewhere by hand back in the early 90s or something. I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I have.
She's funny.
I got rid of my How come you can? Is it? Are you associated with having men?
I think I'm good.
I bought 3 things to sell.
She's still bringing you goods?
So, but we just emptied that out. If you want to look at it, I don't know if you're interested or not. Or
I don't know if we have CDs, because everything
Yeah, I know.
gets streamed nowadays.
yeah, I know it. I know it.
Which is good, less
I've
clutter.
got like 700 CDs.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
You're like a collector.
Yeah. Well, not a long time ago. Every time we do something, they change.
Go figure, huh?
Too much technology. Every time I get to learn something, they change it so it screws me up again.
All right, so I just parked. I'm out of work. Had to work a little bit this morning, and I'm in Hampton Falls, New Hampshire, which is a pretty high-end town, very high-end. and there's a garage sale right here. I'm actually filming this with my phone because Pam is out yard sailing. She has the GoPro, so I'm gonna run in here, see if there's anything good, if you can find anything. It's a little later in the morning, it's 10 o'clock, so I don't know, see what we can find. Oh, sorry.
You're fine.
All right, so I just got out of there. I picked up this Oakley bag here. It's almost like a briefcase, which is weird. I've never seen anything like it. I know Oakley stuff can be really expensive depending on what it is. Oakley bags are very expensive. So I'm gonna look this up, comp it. I didn't even look it up when I was there, but it's in great condition. She wanted $5 for it, and I just gave her the $5 because I was gonna try to bundle it, but there was nothing else there that I was really interested in. So I just bought it for $5. So I'm gonna look it up, see if it's worth anything good. Ready to go through everything mostly you picked up today, right?
I did so good.
Yeah, you did do good.
I feel like I'm done working though, so you should just talk about it.
I should just talk about it.
I just can't. I need a nap.
So we spent collectively, even though I only kind of hit one sale, but we spent collectively $25 for everything we picked up today. And I wouldn't call it like a home run. Well, it was pretty good. I would call it, we'll call it a 2-run homer, not a grand slam. But we did do very well today, considering how much money we spent at yard sales. So
Let's just say we ain't disappointed.
we ain't disappointed, right?
Let's get to the trail so we can tell them about it.
Okay. You picked up some golf clubs, right?
I did.
How much did you spend for those?
Well, there was a bag,
Yep.
and there was 3 clubs in the bag. And total for the bag and the clubs was $4.
$4, okay. So I looked them up. What?
Originally, I tried to get a different bag of clubs for $5, but apparently they were used.
Oh yeah, they were kids, right?
Yeah. So I already paid the guy, and he and I had 2 different ideas of what I thought I wanted.
Yep.
And then because he explained to me that it was youth, I decided I was just gonna go with his idea instead and just get the $4 bag.
Take the adult ones?
Yes.
Yeah.
Baby.
I looked up some of the clubs, and the driver, there's a driver in there. The driver is a TaylorMade driver. And then there's 2 irons, there's a 3 and 4 iron. I still need to learn about golf clubs. I don't really know much about them yet.
I don't even know what the difference is between a driver and an iron.
Yeah.
Well, I know an iron is like.
But I'm thinking, like, going by comps and kind of estimating, I'm thinking we could get probably 40 to 60 for all of the clubs. I'd say that's probably reasonable. Not bad, not too bad,
Yeah, I have
right?
no idea. I just went with it.
The next thing that you picked up was a Wii game, right? It was like a Beyblade
Yes.
Wii game.
It looked like Chinese anime on the outside, so.
Yeah, like a Japanese thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Chinese,
So-
Japanese. I picked that up.
Pick that up. You paid what, $3 for that?
$3. I'm not a good negotiator. At all, actually.
I looked that game up. It's decent. It's no home run, but can probably get anywhere from 10 to 15 for that game. So, not too shabby there. Then you picked up a loose Sony Walkman cassette player, right?
Yes.
How much did you get that for?
I got that for $2. I was a very bad negotiator because she said, I asked her how much and she goes, how about 2? How about 2? Is 2 too much? And I was like, no, 2's okay. My bad.
It should have been like, I want it for 50 cents. No,
Can I just
it's
take
okay.
it?
Can I just have it? Yeah, can I just have
I'd
it?
rather just have it.
No, so that's worth, I looked up comps on eBay for that particular model, typed in the model number, and that's going for around 20 bucks. It doesn't have any headphones or anything with it. It does work. It has batteries in it already.
Yes, I did test it.
You tried it? Yeah.
That was another thing, because I always was like, Ryan says, if you can't test it, then you can always use that as a negotiation factor. Like, do you know it works? Well, is there a way you can
Right.
test it? And obviously with these garage sales too, we were away from the house. It was actually like at the end of a cul-de-sac, and there was like 4 people set up
Yeah.
for that one. And so there was no way, you know, it's not like they could be like, oh, let me just run to my house real quick and get some batteries. But,
Right.
yeah, but it did.
Oh, got people coming back here. Not a bad pickup there. The next thing you picked up was a little RC, like, I don't know what to describe it, like a motorcycle thing.
Just put it in the picture.
Yeah, you're seeing it now anyway, but
It worked.
It
and
works
drove
good.
around and I got excited.
Yeah, it does
That's
work.
That's probably why I got it.
But I looked up on the back of the what are you doing?
She's telling me it was trash and I shouldn't have picked it up. She's like, I'm gonna bury that real quick.
But I looked up on the back of the little RC controller, and it says the only markings I could find on it are like a little copyright thing that says 2016 merch source LLC. So I don't know. I tried to look up on Google to try to find some that were like it on Google Images. Like, I couldn't find anything.
Well, you did find one, but it didn't give us any more information.
Yeah, it was like I found a picture of one on Google Images and I clicked on it and it didn't bring me to anything. So I'm not sure what it is or what it's worth or anything. All I know is it works and it's kind of cool, I guess.
Kimmy's scared of it.
And yeah, the dog's scared of it. But if anybody knows what that is, let us know. If you're good with toys and stuff like that, let us know for sure.
We have kids that have them.
Yeah.
We don't even know what it's called.
Yeah. The next thing you picked up was the Sirius XM radio unit. What did you pay for that? $3?
Well, for radio
Just
piece,
the unit.
it was $1.
Oh, $1? Okay.
Yep.
So just the unit was $1.
Yes.
And then that's going for, I looked up on eBay what it was going for. That's going for about 20 to 25, maybe as high as 30. Probably closer to 25 to 30 in pre-owned condition.
And the man did tell me that you have to get a prescription. No, wait.
A prescription.
Subscription.
Yeah, you have to.
Subscription.
Yeah, to
For it.
Sirius XM. Yeah. Yep. And then it also came with the speaker unit that you plug it into.
Yes.
So it came with that. And I looked that up by model number on eBay, and that's going for anywhere between $50 to $70 plus shipping. All these prices are plus shipping, by the way. So you did good.
Yeah.
You did really good.
Wait until I get real good.
And then I actually picked this item up. It was the only sale that I went to. The Oakley, it was an Oakley laptop, like tactical bag thing. I talked about it a little earlier, but that's going for,
Good girl.
there's an exact comp of one that sold that went for $117. I saw others that went for 80, 90 plus shipping, stuff like that. So That was a decent pickup, I would say. Decent for $5. And yeah, definitely keep an eye out for Oakley stuff, especially the tactical gear stuff, because that's worth even more. But generally Oakley is a little higher end and more expensive, but the Oakley tactical stuff, that's where the money is for sure. And then last but not least, the biggest score of the day, by far, she found.
It was mine.
What is it? Tell them.
I don't know. It's in the package.
It's a it's a Sony Walkman cassette player, brand new sealed, which is like pretty much a holy grail if you're looking. I think it is, at least if you're at a yard sale and you see that, like that's something that people, resellers, are always looking for sure.
And again, I did really bad with negotiation, because again, that was the same lady who's like, oh, what about $2? Is $2 good? What about $1? And I said 2 was fine.
Yeah, so you paid $2 for that. And
I'm gonna have to like have Justin teach a class about negotiation.
And going by comps, there's only like, I only scanned it by the barcode, and there's only one listed for $125, and then there's 2 sold. One sold for what, $114?
$114 this month, and then one other one sold for $140 in February.
Yeah, so I think we can get anywhere from $130 to $150 for it.
I think I win.
Yeah, you do win. That was a good find. That was a really home run find there. $2 into 100 plus. Can't beat that, that's for sure.
So how much more money do I have to find to clone Kimber?
Clone the dog.
Yeah.
A lot.
Because obviously I need more things that sniff food.
A lot. Well, this was another fun yard sale day. I didn't get to go out as much as I wanted to. I only hit a couple sales. I only showed you one. But Pam hit a bunch of them, and she did really well. She did awesome.
That's what I do now. I just do awesome like all the time, not just sometimes.
Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Really appreciate it, as always. And hope you killed it as well. If you guys found anything awesome at yard sales, feel free to let us know down in the comments. That would be super cool. We'd love to hear what you found. So. And
if you definitely see anything in our footage that we should have picked up or looked more into, tell us that too.
Yeah, let us know if we missed something.
I'm getting new to Ron's just sending me off into the yonder by myself. This could be scary.
All right, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.